Hello guys, this is my first YouTube video and I realize I can't pause this or anything because this is a phone. Like, I'm recording on a phone right now, not a camera. Until I get a camera, I can't pause anything. But today's video is going to be based on slime. We are going to make some slime and I'm just going to set y'all up. I'm actually going to be playing with this kind of slime that I made. I have a lot of slime, by the way. And so we're just going to do some satisfaction. It's kind of wet at the moment. Like, I'm sorry, like, my hands are kind of wet and sticky. And one day I will get stuff to make instant cloud slime. Yeah, let me show you my favorite one, basically. It's like a glitter, it's a clear glitter slime. Okay, so this isn't really like making slime right now. I will make slime now though. Okay, I just wanted to show those out. I'm going to show you my slime factory because some people probably want to see it. This is my slime factory. And yeah, quick just sneak peek. So I'm going to teach you how to make slime. I'm going to teach you just not fluffy slime, just regular. I'm making clear slime. So you need a bowl, a mixing tool, clear glue, and you can add glitter if you want to. I'm going to probably be using this really pretty shiny glitter. So yeah, and then if you want color, but I'm not adding color. So, I'm obsessed with slime, and my family knows that. They're kind of getting into slime, so they bought me this slime glue, clear glue, off of online because we couldn't find a gallon of clear glue in the... Okay. And I will, on my next video, be testing out all my slimes. So, yeah. And this is on my phone, by the way, if you're wondering what phone I'm on. Okay, so I'm going to pour it out in here. We're going to make kind of like a big batch. And then you will need activator, which I'm using borax and water. Okay, so we're going to put the clear glue right there so I can put the lid on this. And my containers just fell, so that's always nice. Okay, so I'm putting the lid on my glue right now because I don't need any more before I get too obsessed with it. I'm also using cornstarch because I'm making my slime a little bit mystery. That's how I can say it. So my clear glue is in this bowl, as you can see. It looks like water, but it's not. So now I'm going to add some cornstarch. It might make it white, but I'm not for sure. Okay, that's what we're going to add because we don't want a lot. And one day I will make oobleck. One day. It's on my next videos. I'm going to be doing a lot of fun stuff for people to enjoy. So I think that will be fun to do. Put back the glue. Okay, now I don't know where my other mixing tool went. There it went. Okay, so now we have some cornstarch in it. And now we're just going to mix this together. And it looks like it's turning like a really foggy color, which actually is very pretty.
What are you doing?
Making slime. So I will take a shower in a minute.
Alright, hurry up.
No. That's my mom. Okay. So it actually looks like a cloudy effect, and I really like that. Some people don't. Yeah. So I'm mixing it and stuff. Normally you can add water, but I'm not making jiggly slime, which it doesn't have to make jiggly slime. It's just I don't want to add water to it right now. So yeah, now I'm going to add some hand soap. I always add soap to my slime, even if it's with white glue. Okay, so I added, let me put this back now. I added some soap into it. I don't know if you could tell or not, but I'm gonna mix it. This is actually gonna kind of make it smell good. Yeah. And then we're gonna wait. But also my activator has water in it, so I don't want to make it too watery. Now I'm gonna add this glitter, which actually is really pretty. And if you live in South Carolina like I do, you can go to Hobby Lobby and get this for $2.99. So you probably get it anywhere, but I'm just saying, I can't doubt anything. So now this is kind of satisfying, so I'll keep it on camera. Now I'm adding in the glitter. Okay, I think that's enough. It's like, guess the color. Deanna, the color? Yeah, you should. Okay. So now that we added the glitter in, it's really pretty. See that? That's like amazing. I'm actually gonna do this, guys. Hang on. You ready? I'm gonna turn you around so you can see me mixing and everything in like camera. So, I can't really put my flash on, or can I? No, I can't, I don't think. Can you put your flash on? No, sadly. Okay, well, yeah, sorry about that. Sorry about the bad lighting, like, but you can see the glitter, that's really pretty. Yeah, bad lighting issues. And this slime's kind of like my other slime that I just showed you guys, but it's not necessarily. So now, really glittery and stuff. Hang on, guys. I'm gonna add a little bit. I have a little bit left of this sand because I was saving the container and it just never got emptied out. So enjoy my beautiful feet. Okay, we're gonna add the rest of this little sand in there just to kind of see what it does, I guess. I love adding stuff into my slime, guys, by the way. Do you hear that sound? It sounds so weird. Okay. So we've done the sand. Didn't really do anything. It's really drippy now. So now we're going to add our activator, which I'm still going to show you guys. They'll come out. I barely have any of this left because I emptied it out into a new bottle. I don't know where that bottle went, so we have to deal with that. And it is coming together. As you can see, it's clumping up. I might start my slime videos like this. I'm also going to get a lamp right here one day, or like a phone or something to get this light fixed because I hate this lighting. Okay, so it really didn't do anything apparently. Apparently I don't got much borax in it. So I'm actually going to show y'all how I make my activator so y'all know what to do with borax water. So, come on. Okay, so I'm in my kitchen because that's where all the cleaning stuff is. I'm on YouTube. So, you have to buy this borax box. Jeez. And now we're gonna get a cup and put it in there, which I don't know what cup to use. Okay, we're gonna use these, I guess. So now we're gonna put it with hot water. So I'm gonna put the borax in here. You don't need like quite a lot. Like I'm gonna show you how much I'm pouring in. So it's right there, so you can see. Okay, that's how much I normally add. But again, it might be too strong because I have not a lot of water in here. So now we're just gonna mix it with in the room. So we got the water. Don't drink this. So we're gonna go with the water into my room. Yeah, it's kind of a long walk for the kitchen to me, but I'm going slow. Okay, so now we're gonna turn y'all back around, put y'all back over here, and I'm gonna show you me in the process of stirring this with another spoon thingy. So as you can see, it's all white at the bottom. That's the borax, and then whenever I stir it, it all clumps up. So, and you remember if you thought there was no clumps in it, so that means that it's set in there. Y'all can also ask me questions and stuff. What should I do and stuff? Okay. So I finished doing that, and it should be good. So I'm gonna add a little bit at a time in. Okay. I don't think I need a lot. I hope this forms actually, because I added a lot of stuff in. But normally I always add a lot of stuff in and it forms. Okay, yeah. It just needed more borax. Because now it's forming. It's bad lighting. I really hate bad lighting. Especially with my hands in the way and everything. Oh, actually, guys, I got a good idea if you want good lighting. If y'all want good lighting, we're going to come over here because I realized I cleaned my room and my desk off. So, we're going to put y'all right there. I think y'all could see a lot of stuff. Let me just see. Yeah, y'all can see basically everything. And I'm going to turn my lamp on with the light switch. I know. Hang on. Okay. Couple more minutes. Now y'all should be able to really see. Let me see. I'm going to have to stand on my chair to see y'all. That's good. Yeah, that's like totally good. I'm sorry if it's backwards. I need the chair actually. Okay, so I'm gonna sit down. Hello. Okay. And now we're gonna mix in. And this is my desk of makeup and stuff, so that's why it's not really slime-like. If you know yet, which I just said. But okay, it's forming very slowly. It's just like a bit more borax for like the first time. I said I know, I'm probably getting annoyed. I will do video of me just adding random stuff in it, like, you know, like, I don't know. I have to think about it. And my squad name is K-Gang, if you don't know. K-Gang. Okay, it's forming just very slowly. I already tell it's sticky still. I can tell from like when it's touch. I hope this thing's hanging in the way. I hope that that's good lighting. Hang on, let me. I can get more good lighting. Okay, it's my lamp, but this soccer thing's in the way. Okay, hopefully that should be better. Maybe really bright. I don't know. Just you can't really tell me because. But then that'd be awesome. I know I talk a lot, guys, and if this is boring, I'm sorry. I will do more videos, like, better. So the slime is almost done. The worst thing about making stuff is that you gotta clean it up, which actually you have to clean it up because slime will get dry and stick to the bowl or whatever you're using. Okay, and it's just a little more. You can tell it's starting to form. This will form, guys. I'm gonna make it form. And this is probably the boring part. Well, guess what? If you want to fast forward this, you can. So I'm gonna be doing poking to the slime after I finish it, which is actually about done already. I added a lot of activator. So we're gonna see how this slime goes on poking. It's not a slime, so look at that. Not a lot. So I think it's basically almost done mixing. I'm going to start mixing it with my hands now because I think it's necessary to. It's going to be hard to touch my phone and stuff for the camera. That's okay. We're not going to touch right now. So once again, if you're watching this or if you're just which probably a lot of people have done, just fast forward it to see the poking. You're truly a true subscriber and person if you're still watching this, because some people hate me, but some people like me as a friend. I can get annoying, apparently. That's what people say. So yeah. And then I was supposed to take a shower, but I haven't because I decided to make this. So yeah, good thing I'm not in trouble yet, which I probably still won't be. And if I let the slime sit overnight, it will be way better, just because it's like I'm almost done. Oh, it's a little sticky at the moment. Don't know why. I just added a lot of activator to it, and then it got on the desk, and it was just. Okay, we're gonna add just a tiny bit. And this is not my craft table or anything. My craft table is actually over in the dark. I have to get a lamp for it. And then my lamp over there is battery for it now. So that's always nice to know. So I'm gonna leave this right here for like a minute so I can get the lotion. Like that wasn't even a minute. Like that was like not even 30 seconds. Okay, so I got my lotion. I'm using hand cream, which is the lotion. I used this and it's worked on this one. It's like almost empty, so sorry about that. Okay. And we're done with that. That's just satisfying. I think it's satisfying. Some people don't think it's satisfying. Lotion and slime feels so good if you mix it with your hands. Like, if you don't mix it with your hands, you should start mixing it with your hands. So I can tell you right now, it feels good, good, good. It's probably sounding weird, and I bet you my friends are watching this, but that's okay. Sorry, friends, I'm so cringy. Okay, so I'm gonna let the slime sit overnight. I will update it in another video to see how good it's doing. It's actually kind of stretchy, like for it just being out of the bowl, it's pretty good. Which white slime does way better with me, and I will do that after I take the shower. By the way, so I'll be trying to post 2 videos a day. On I'll try to be posting 2 videos a day on Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. Sometimes Sundays and Saturdays, but I can't tell for sure. I'll try to post a lot. People want me to post a lot on my other channel, which is Kaitlynghelms, and I had to make a new one, so lots of ways nice. Okay, so here's the poking. Enjoy it while you can get it until I update it, so that's always nice. And then I'm gonna actually get another slide to show you the best poking that I like. So this is another one of my slimes with the same glitter, just white glue. As you can see, it worked. I don't know if it's sticky because it was sticky. No, okay. So this slime is good. I don't mind the hairbrush. We're just gonna empty it out on the counter, on the table, or the desk, whatever people like to call it these days. And this is way better poking, by the way. And next video after the white glue testing, I will be doing a slime testing. Or I should do the, actually guys, I'm gonna do the slime poking and stuff today. And I will do the white glue test, hopefully on Saturday or Sunday. Or maybe I'll just do all 3 today. So yeah. I like the slime, like if you can see the glitter. Love the glitter. Same glitter I used on this slime, and it's not as stretchy as this one. Like, look at this. It instantly falls. Like, look at that poking. So we're gonna do a comparison: white glue versus clear glue. So this is the looks. That one looks prettier than this one, but look at this. So it's like perfect. I know. I know. I will in like 5 minutes. Okay. See, like, look at the big difference. But like, look, if I mix like a little piece together, like that much with like that much, the clear glue would take over. I'm pretty sure. That's my guess. Sticky. Yeah, basically, clear glue took over. Let me get some better lighting up here. somewhat better lighting up here. Probably not. Okay. So we're just gonna enjoy this barbecue. I'm just gonna add this with that slime because it's this good. But this is one of my favorite slimes, if you don't know yet. Which I probably showed earlier in the video. I can't remember because I have a bad memory. Well, people don't say it. People say I don't, but I think I do. Sometimes I do. So enjoy this. And my videos won't just be on slime. It'll be like on Saturday. I have my birthday party, and I'll be showing what I got for my birthday. So, and an early birthday gift is my phone, which I used right there for the video. So satisfying. So yeah guys, that was the end of this video. I hope y'all enjoyed. My videos could be about any time long as I want it to be. On my other channel, they're 15 minutes long and less. So if you like 15 minutes long and less, but if they were 15 minutes long and less, I'd do way more each day. So I hope y'all enjoyed this about 23-minute long video. Yeah. Okay. Bye guys.